Howdy, with this video, just want to go over journals 1 through 3 so you see what I'm looking for there. The journals are on the content page under journal entries. If this isn't the page that comes up, you can just scroll down the left side. It'll take you to the journal entries. And all the entries are on one place there. But we're going to do 3 at a time. And the idea is that these journals get us ready for the essay assignment we're working on. So the first 3 are going to focus on self-regulated learning, growth mindset, and also a little discussion on artificial intelligence. But these are free writing exercises. I'm not going to grade them on spelling or grammar or sentence structure. They should be an intelligent response to the prompt, but the idea is that you kind of practice your keyboarding a little bit. Some people might be a little slow right now, so just get going as fast as you can kind of help that speed a little bit, and also just getting us back into writing in general, trying to get something out of our head onto the screen. But you're doing 3 at a time. You have to have 150 words on each one. We're not doing an average or anything like that. So if you're passionate about AI and you give me 300 words, you still got to do 150 words on each of the other 2. The first one's talking about artificial intelligence and the honor code policy and the punishment for using artificial intelligence in this class, particularly to have AI write your sentences and write your paragraphs. That's cheating, and if I catch you doing it, you're going to get a 0. And it's not that hard to do, unfortunately. You can just go to Gemini and type in the prompt. Word essay on self-regulation or whatever you want to type in there, and it'll spit it out. The problem is quite often what it spits out isn't very good. It may be off topic. AI is not afraid to credit sources that don't exist or that you don't have access to. And that would be one of the, if I think you're using AI, that's one of the first questions I'll ask: where does this information come from? And you need to have an answer. But don't use AI, even as easy as it is. Generally, it's pretty easy to spot. And we do have a plagiarism detector in D2L that catches a lot of that stuff. So I don't want you to use it. You might use it in other classes for certain processes and some research, but you cannot use it to write your sentences or your paragraphs. And if I do catch you, there's a pretty big punishment, so I'm asking you, what do you think about that? Is my view on this kind of the same as yours? Yeah, you can disagree with me if you want to, but you got to get to 150 words as fast as you can with the AI question. Then number 2 is a video. You click on the link.
Carroll's is one of the world's leading
and it should open there in D2L. Starts a little slow, but it gets better as it goes. Okay. So you write 150 words. Again, you don't have to agree with the ideas in there. That's kind of up to you. Probably heard this before, maybe in school somewhere else, but and there are limits to the growth mindset idea. It's like, not everybody can't do anything they want to, but some interesting ideas there. And again, you're gonna write 150 words in response. And then you got a reading on self-regulated learning. You're going to see when we get to the essay that the profile points you're going to discuss in the essay are coming straight from this reading. Pretty quick read. Some big fancy words. They're trying to sound smart, but they're kind of talking about what's it mean to be a good student, a good self-regulated learner. But so you're going to do 150 words on each one. I prefer you have them all in one document.